time. That big whale is probably selling, whoever that was loading up at 26. There seems to be a seller here, but I'll have smaller size short, tight stop here. Oh, nope, it's going. We got to be quick on our feet in that situation. Take us through 50. Oh, oh, okay. Good, good. Not good. Okay, it looks like it might need a pullback. I'll ease off. The low is at 32. The 5-minute candle still looks good and has some time. So for those of you in MMU, you guys know what that means, right? It seems like it needs a pullback. You know, something I'm supposed to do, and I probably should have done this already. Now's not the time though. I gotta rearrange my camera on the live stream itself and put it below the chartings. So when we slow down, I'll do it. So we got 739 on the bids. Titanic. Come on down, the price is right. There's some buying. 34, 33. Time. 21. Should have punched it again. It looks good here, I think. Might take a higher ad. Oh, maybe too late. Take me to the moon of 50. High of the current candle is 45. It seems weaker. It's not moving up. Could be out a little too early though. We haven't made a new low, so there's no reason to really sell. Probably should have still held that 500. Yeah, 45. Yes, I should have held that 500. We should see 50. A breakthrough 50. There it is. Oh, that seller's gonna cost me. There. Come on. You know you want to. Take us to the moon. Cover, cover. Shorts must cover here. Ladies and gentlemen, relentless trader has arrived. Waiting patiently here. $7.50. We held the pullback, so it's kind of consolidating in a midpoint, you know, not quite at the highs, not quite at the lows, but we held the lows. So what does this mean? This is it. This is the moment I've been waiting for. To the moon we go. To the moon. Jupiter up next. 74 for the highs. Are we strong? Are we strong or are we strong? 75, 72, 80. It might go crazy. Are we going to get that big squeeze or is this it? Uh-oh. Nope. All right, time to ease off. Not the big squeeze, but a nice high of day move though. When the stocks get like that, it comes pretty close to just jumping like 20, 30 cents at a time. It got like almost there and then not quite. The 5 minute candle still looks great. So, again, you guys know what that means in MMU. But the question is, okay, I got a great fill. The question is, how low are we going to go, right? If it keeps going lower, then Titanic. And I am sizing down for my dips, which is great, which is the rules. Come on. Take us to the moon. Take us to the moon here. 77, 80. Okay, great. It's still holding. Try again. More. More buying. It's having a hard time. Damn, man, they gave me the lowest fill. Gave me the lowest fill ever right there. You know what? Let's cut this trade. Unbelievable. If it struggles, I'll take the short. In which case, it's not ready yet. But the 5 minute candles are so bullish. It's easy for the shorts to get squeezed. But if we need the quick pullback, I wouldn't mind. But I got filled pretty low, 72, so I'll be back out. Guys, if we had shares to short, I trade like this all the time. But unfortunately, it's just not what it is. But this one does have shares and it's still holding here. But I don't want to be too hasty. High or low? High or low? If this stock keeps going, we should have our best day ever here. Again, trying not to be too hasty, but the 5 minute candles do look bullish. So right now I'm on standby. So far the short would have been working if I had the higher fill. Oh, it's a big pullback. Okay, it might be a 5 minute pullback actually. Unless it holds 50, but yeah, it looks like it might be a 5 minute. Okay, which is perfectly fine. But that's also not guaranteed, so let's keep our guards up in case it does curl back up right away. High of the current candle, 73, low of 46. You see how that short trade, if I only had gotten filled in mid-70s, I'd hold it right to this area here. But it's unfortunate that I have such a poor fill. And maybe it was accurate, but the stock is volatile. It is what it is. And to be honest, I'm going to take this opportunity, right? For anybody who's watching on that want to learn how to trade the strategy, I do have a day trading course where I show all this stuff in full detail. So be sure to check out Merciless Markets, links down below. Once you see it, you'll never unsee it, not unless there's a catastrophic change. And even if that's the case, just like any other animal, we adapt. There's no change that we're afraid of. We just adapt. We have the control to not hit the buy button if it's not working. It's that simple. WETG, man, getting halted up. Maybe there's something there on the resumption. False halt. Nice move. I wonder if this is too high. How much root? Oh. Do I scale into this? I'm trying to figure out how, which is not good. I'm a little distracted. How I want to approach this 5-minute setup here. But the rules are the same always, right? In these 5-minute setups. My stop is well defined. I should have took more size and, put the risk in place. This has an opportunity to crawl right back to high of day because of how bullish the green candles are. And you guys know Marcelo probably already up 10K. Mighty as it gets. As mighty as it gets. As mighty as it gets. So if you're watching on YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook, hit the thumbs up button. And of course, if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. Relentless Trader is the most transparent. I show my big green days, big red days, everything in between. But this is it. This morning I woke up and told myself, we're going to come and we're going to attack the market. So here we are. Watching this stock here, I don't mind adding to it if it looks good. I do have my stop in place, of course. The only way my risk is really increases if this thing just flushes down into a halt down or something. WISA is doing all right. Is there a break of 3 coming up? Break of 2 rather? This stock I think is still strong, but it's a big pullback. How low will it go? Maybe a break and reclaim of the whole dollar. I probably could have stopped out sooner as well. I am curious of my fill here quickly. 20, not bad at all. 5 cents, 2,000 shares. We did take something off, so it's not a terrible trade. Watching it, well, you know what, this resumption, what time? 50, what, 03:58? There's a minute. 03:58. I'm watching WISA right here. NEXT, I still think is looking all right, but I don't know how low it's going to go. It's not holding VWAP, and I don't have any other major support area to know for sure. So I'm just gonna let it go. And once it starts to curl back up, then I'll get back involved. Time 3 and 58 seconds. WETG halted up at 2028. I'll be watching the resumption trades. Less than a minute. How's volume? 5-day volume is still on a red candle. 900,000 shares. 500,000 going up. A lot of halts. 970. 1970. I'll probably just say 970 because it's just quicker to say. But you guys know what I mean. WETG resumption coming up. Got to be prepared to take a big loss here, and I am. I accept the risk always. WISA break of 2 potentially happening here. I'm gonna miss it. If it goes. $20.28. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Here we go. Okay. It didn't rip through like I would have wanted. Titanic. It's a hidden seller or something at 21, which isn't great. The other one got the 2 and then didn't go, but watching, it's a bottoming wick at 92. Can we retest $2 for potential break out? WISA. Watching WISA over the whole dollar here. I'm gonna take a starter on NEXT, but very small size. I just want to see what it does here. Come on, come on. It's a ton of green and it's not going. Jeez. This one is like it's, like it's feeling heavy. It's trying to jump and has the ankle weights on. I think I'm gonna ease down for now and stop trading. I'm gonna wait for the second wave of momentum later, which might come later. I'm not sure, I'm not guaranteeing anything, but we'll see. Yeah, WISA not holding up. I think I'm gonna ease off. I'm gonna size down. I'm gonna size down across the board and wait for the next wave of momentum. It seems like it's slowing down a bit. We'll see what happens. I came out of that starter position for just 5 cents of gain on NEXT. Guys, don't forget to post P&L in the P&L chat, all right? Kitty red today. What small pullback or major comeback? Thank you, Kitty. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Sir Clive, man, this is funny. Did I hit my head in the gym? I just had a 2K trade on a stock yesterday, right? The goal is to normalize this stuff, man. But I am a little bit more aggressive today. That's what it is. I'm more aggressive with my share size today. Mentally, I was preparing earlier. I had two songs on repeat that I listened to for an hour straight, heading into the open. Yeah, tiny, it's all right. If a few P&Ls do come through here, it's no problem. But the main goal is to try and get them into the profit loss chat. Over the months, we've had a lot of complaining about FOMO and just stuff like that. So we'll keep the main chat a little bit more free and have the P&Ls go into the P&L chat. We still could have gotten that short trade, man, coming down on NEXT, but a little unfortunate. I think it pulled back too much. So it's like, despite going and being very strong, the pullback is just so much. If it gets back above VWAP, I'd be interested. Maybe it happens later in the day. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, be sure to hit the thumbs up. If you are a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. BWV. Yeah, it's curling up a bit. We'll see if it's able to really get going.